It is very unfortunate that senior leaders like Pinarayi should know the fact of what is the issue in Bengaluru. Some people, they have encroached. It is a waste dump site which was for putting this waste. It is in a quarry pit. It is a very dangerous place where a lot of health hazards are there, and there illegally they have tried to occupy.
Kerala Chief Minister and CPI-M Politburo member Pinarayi Vijayan has sharply criticized the demolition drive carried out in Faqir colony and Waseem layout in Bengaluru, where several Muslim families were uprooted despite having lived there for years. In a post on X, Vijayan described the action as a disturbing example of the growing normalization of bulldozer Raj. Vijayan expressed particular concern that such actions are now taking place under a Congress-led government in Karnataka, stating that the Sangh Parivar's anti-minority agenda is being executed regardless of the ruling party. He warned that governance driven by fear and brute force undermines constitutional morality, secularism, and human dignity. Calling for unity, Vijayan urged all secular and democratic forces to come together to resist what he termed an insidious and dangerous trend targeting minorities across India. This statement has intensified political debate over the use of demolitions as a tool of governance and their impact on vulnerable communities. Responding sharply, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar dismissed Vijayan's remarks as unfortunate and urged leaders from outside the state to refrain from commenting without understanding facts on the ground. Speaking to reporters in Bengaluru, Shivkumar said the demolition was aimed at protecting public land and was not directed against any particular community. He claimed the site was an encroached waste dump site, allegedly being converted into a slum by land mafia elements. We have humanity. We gave people an opportunity to move to new places. Only a few of them are locals, Shivkumar said, adding, "We are not into bulldozers, we are trying to safeguard our land and public property." He further stated that the government would not allow slums that promote illegal land activities, asserting, "We know our city well."
It is very unfortunate that senior leaders like Pinarayi should know the fact of what is the issue in Bengaluru. Some people, they have encroached. It is a waste dump site which was for putting this waste. It is in a quarry pit. It is a very dangerous place where a lot of health hazards are there, and there illegally they have tried to occupy some land grabs. The government and our local MLA also insisted it is very dangerous. We know that we have humanity. We are ready to give them. We have given them opportunity to go to their some new places. They have encroached. All of a sudden they have encroached. None of them are. Only few of them are locals. Other of them are coming and encroaching places. So it is a quarry pit for a solid waste management. Senior like Pinarayi should not interfere with such type of affairs. We know Bangalore well. We don't want to entertain this slum who just wanted to create this land mafias. So we are trying to protect our land. And those who are eligible, definitely we are ready to give houses to them in the Rajiv Gandhi houses. My Chief Minister also has directed. I have also directed them. I have submitted a report. Even my leaders from Kerala also have spoken to us. Please, I request Mr. Pinarayi, without knowing things, the fact of the case, we should not interfere with such a... We are not into any bulldozer. We have not done anything with the bulldozer, using bulldozer. We have tried to vacate, protect the public place, which was used for... It is in the heart of the city. We can't encourage like that. It is a site allotted for putting waste management. So this is what Mr. Pinarayi has said. I am going to reply to that. I am sending a report to my party also, my Kerala leaders also, to my Chief Minister also. I have asked my officers to look into it. It is a routine things which take place in Bengaluru city.
Sir, this is not your first time, sir. Some unnecessarily Bengaluru city is targeted to in other cities.
See, you know, Bengaluru city is not like Mumbai or any other city. It is, we don't have much slums in Bangalore, but we don't want to create slums in Bangalore. It is the art of it is in Krishna Bairagowda constituency. Mr. Krishna Bairagowda is a very learned senior leader of the party and the government. He knows. He also has directed our local officers, and we can't allow tomorrow to come and there is some vacant site. No one should come and put their huts there. It is not the question of minorities or other people or anything. We don't want to affect anyone. If anyone wants land who are eligible, definitely we'll give houses. Lakhs of houses in Bangalore we have planned. Though the other governments could not plan. We have planned already for that. Mr. Jamir Ahmad, my Chief Minister, and all of them are on the talks with my officers how to rehabilitate them. But who are genuine will rehabilitate it, but not who comes and try to occupy the government land without any reasons. So we will do our job.
ಕೆಲವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಪಿಣರಾಯಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬೆನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
It is all political statement, political protest and anything. We don't want anyone to this one. Without knowing the fact, Mr. Pinarayi should not interfere with our state affairs. It is all political gimmicks at the time of the elections.
ಸರ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಧಾರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಆಧಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Those who have regular documentation, who are there in Karnataka, we will definitely want places as per the rules of the Karnataka government. We will definitely help them.
Okay, thanks.
I will issue a statement. I will ask my officers to give a report. Yesterday night also they have sent me a report on this issue. We will do it.
ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅನಾಥರೈಸ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋರು. ಸೊ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಸತಿ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ.